Hola, 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 Shafiri Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Everything SAT Ski News. On this one today, we got you Sukazi confirms decision on Sundowns Dithejane offer. We all know that the player has been making rumors on the social media platforms where we've seen him being linked to Kaizer Chiefs or a possible return to the Glamour Boys, which is Nechorena Amakosi. Then now Sukazi confirms decision on Sundowns Dithejane offer. But before we jump straight ahead with this news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought comment down below the section. And on this one, Sukazi confirms decision on Dithejane Sundowns offer. TS Galaxy chairperson or chairman rather, Tim Sukazi has confirmed the club's decision on Mamelodi Sundowns bid for Dithejane midfielder. The 21-year-old